To see how much of your project can potentially be built using prefabricated components, open the MOD tab in the Revit ribbon and select Prefab Check. You will first see your project information. Review the project metadata, such as the address, and make any adjustments to improve the accuracy of the analysis. Once everything looks correct, choose whether to run the prefab check on your entire model or only on the currently selected view. For the most accurate results, isolate only the construction elements, exclude any furniture, people, vehicles, landscaping, and any other non-construction objects. The first time you run a prefab check, you'll be asked to review our privacy notice. It explains how your project data is handled securely, that we do not permanently store your model data or use it for training purposes, and that any uploaded data is deleted immediately after the analysis is complete. Once the analysis finishes, you'll see the estimated overall prefab potential of your project, along with a breakdown by component categories. Selecting a category will automatically highlight the corresponding elements in Revit, making it easy to understand where prefab opportunities exist. To explore the results in more detail, click View Full Report. The report provides a comprehensive prefab feasibility assessment together with a map showing prefab suppliers located within a 250-kilometer radius of your project. You can save the report or share it with your team by creating a free MOD account. If you choose not to claim your report, it will be automatically deleted after 24 hours. To learn more about MOD and Prefab Check, visit mod.construction.